Charlie Ding and Rosie Wells turned a simple idea into something much more meaningful than a vehicle. Their vision was to build a space that felt like home wherever the road took them, and that vision earned them the Van Conversion of the Year award for 2025, along with a cash prize of £10,000. What sets their story apart is not only their craftsmanship, but the heart behind every choice they made. Their inspiration came from a trip to Vietnam where they realized just how much they missed their dog, little Rosie. When they returned, they committed to creating a camper that allowed all three of them to travel freely while still feeling together. Over 18 months of evenings and weekends, they transformed a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter into a living space that feels warm, practical, and beautifully personal. They sourced windows, mirrors, lighting, and even a reversing camera through eBay as they slowly shaped the empty van into a thoughtful home. They added a real kitchen for cooking on the road, a retractable bed that gently rises into the ceiling, and a wardrobe that surprisingly doubles as a modern-style shower. These touches helped them rise above the other finalists. Head judge George Clarke praised their creative choices and the careful finish throughout the build, calling their van a perfect blend of engineering and comfort. Now exploring Europe on a 9-month sabbatical, the couple and their dog have already traveled through 13 countries including France, Slovenia, and Romania. For them, this van is more than a project. It is a place filled with intention, love, and the desire to see the world without leaving their family behind.